Chef Chris from Fulton Market Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to do our fried chicken meal. So right now we've got half of a chicken right here. It's the breast cut in half, thigh, leg, and wing bone. We brine this overnight for 24 hours in a salt brine. You can find that anywhere on the internet. Just Google salt brine. It's a mixture of water, salt. Sometimes it's got brown sugar in it. We do some aromatics in there with black peppercorn, garlic, lemons. And then we take that out of the brine after 24 hours and we put it into a second brine. This one is with buttermilk, chili garlic paste, and Worcestershire sauce. We do that for another 24 hours and voila, this is what you've got. So I've taken it out of the second brine, put it onto a sheet tray with a rack so I can drain off the excess liquid. And then we've got our flour here. Our chicken is gluten-free, so we use a flour substitute called Cup for Cup, which is exactly like it sounds. A cup of this can be substituted for a cup of regular flour. It also gives it a nice crispness, a little bit extra crunch. And then to really go above and beyond for the crunch, we add in corn flakes and we crush them up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each piece of chicken and I'm just going to coat it in the seasoned flour. Use one hand for wet, one hand for dry. That way you don't end up with a handful of wet batter. We're going to pat off the excess flour. Back onto our rack. And then we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is over, we're going to reflour it and put it right into the fry. And there we have it. That's the fried chicken from Fulton Market Kitchen. It was in the fryer for 16 minutes at 275 degrees. And it's served with our house-made hot sauce. You can get it at FultonMarketKitchen.com or at Talk2Go.